The Immigration Bureau raised concern over a growing number of Filipinas trafficked as surrogate mothers abroad. This after 7 Filipinas were rescued and repatriated to our country. The BI said the victims were deceived by false promises about being surrogates to unknown clients. They were recruited online and arranged with complex travel through multiple borders to avoid detection. Ito ba yung galing
last
ano?
week pa,
Vietnam
Cambodia.
ba? Cambodia.
Cambodia.
Oo.
Actually, nung last month, merong mga na-save na mga 20 Pinays na believed to be victims ng human trafficking.
Tapos parang ang pakiusap ng Philippine government din sa Cambodia is wag kasuhan tong mga Filipinas because they are also victims.
Walang criminal liability.
Oo, dapat initially kasi the Cambodian authorities were looking at nakasuhan tong mga Filipina because of performing na bawal kasi yung surrogacy doon eh. So akala nila na they were the ones engaged in this directly. Yung pala, they are also victims.
Yes, kaya yun yung dapat patunayan din of course ng Philippine government natin sa Cambodia na talagang may mga recruitment agencies dito, illegal recruitment agencies na nagdadala dito sa mga Pinay sa to at ini-engage nga sila doon. Hindi nila alam, no? Allegedly, hindi alam nitong mga Pinay na to na ganun pala yung trabaho nila pagdating sa Cambodia. Parang ang nabasa ko kasing story, dadalhin sila somewhere, another Southeast Asian country, pero after nun, mga few days, dadalhin na sila sa Cambodia. Doon nila gagawin yung scamming, ay yung ano, ang tawag doon, yung surrogacy. Ang bayad daw sa kanila doon, 1 million per baby.
Tapos ano daw kasi, ang tawag dito, ang titignan kasi ng Cambodian authorities eventually na pumayag sila na pabayaan na or let go na yung mga Filipinas is may mga bigger fish behind this syndicate. And this Filipinas daw could possibly be a key witnesses to bring down this big syndicate.
That's why apparently while we were busy doon sa mga ongoing hearings ng Quadcom, tapos 'di ba yung hearings din sa Senate, nag-file din pala ng resolution itong si Senator Rizzo Ontiveros to investigate itong nangyari. Kasi hindi birong bilang yun, 20 na Pinay sinagip, 'di ba, doon sa Cambodia yung nangyayari nga mga illegal trafficking. So they need to see kung ano yung mga gaps, 'di ba, doon sa labor law natin, anti-trafficking, etc. So kung kailan yun, that I don't know. Pero the resolution has already been filed para nga daw maimbestigahan ito.